Hello, I'm Manju P. George, Faculty, PhD Institute of Management, India. I'm happy to share with you my article titled A Model for Student Mentoring in Business Schools in a brief. The essence of management education lies in preparing and enabling the students to evolve cognitively, effectively and behaviorally into capable individuals equipped to meet and manage challenges both within and outside their workplace. Management ability, by virtue of its very nature and content, can be transferred exponentially. Hence, management education has got to be an interactive process between the teacher and the thought. Hence, management schools must provide a learner-centric environment rather than a tutoring environment and focus on instilling students with the right attitude, knowledge, skills and abilities for them to succeed in this turbulent business environment. Mentoring today is recognized as an established management development intervention and an important resource for improving learning and coping with change. In a business school, a teacher plays many roles in the life of a student prodigy: a guide, counselor, advisor, sponsor, consultant, tutor, and a guru. Mentoring provides faculty with the opportunity to develop both professionally and personally over their span of career. As an element in pedagogy, it results in enhancing effectiveness of B-School by ensuring the transformation of students into professionals. However, there is lack of theoretical and empirical basis to explain the proposed link between mentoring, academics and career success of graduates. Hence, research was carried out in this direction and depicted in this article, a model for student mentoring in business schools. Speaking about the research methodology, this study has employed a conclusive research design that combined the features of descriptive and explanatory research design. The respondents of the study comprised 141 permanent teachers, 327 first-year MBA students and 318 final-year MBA students enrolled in regular management programs of 19 B schools in Kerala that had minimum 5 years of existence and approval of All India Council for Technical Education. This study included a conceptual framework for bringing about effectiveness of mentoring, which was perceived from a systems perspective. The model employed 4 latent variables and their formative indicators. Faculty environment was identified as the input, mentoring activities as a throughput, effectiveness of mentoring as the output, and prodigy maturity was incorporated for its appropriateness as the outcome to demonstrate the effectiveness of mentoring in terms of psychosocial changes acquired by these school students. The variable faculty environment encapsulated socio-demographic and personality profile of mentors. Socio-demographic background encompassed formative indicators of age, gender, designation, educational qualification, teaching experience and industrial experience, while personality profile of teachers comprised of openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness and neuroticism within its fold. The variable mentoring activities subsumed teach the job, provide challenge, teach politics, career health, protect, sponsor, career counseling, friendship and trust as a component. Effectiveness of mentoring covered relationship emphasis, informative emphasis, facilitative focus, confrontive focus, mentor model and student vision. Finally, prodigy maturity included responsibility, planfulness, perseverance, cooperativeness, efficacy and individualism. The objectives of the study focused on 3 aspects. 1. To validate a model explaining the effectiveness of mentoring in terms of socio-demographic factors, personality profile of teachers and mentoring activities as applicable to B schools in Kerala, India. 2. To describe the faculty environment in B schools as borne out in terms of formalization of mentoring and personal profile of teachers. 3. To depict prodigy maturity acquired by students in B school as the illustrative effect of mentoring process. Further, the following hypotheses were formulated to derive meaningful generalizations. Hypothesis 1. Personal profile attributes of teacher mentors correlate and influence significantly the extent of mentoring activities carried out in these schools. Hypothesis 2. The mentoring activities severally and collectively correlate positively and significantly with the effectiveness of mentoring. Findings of the study revealed less than 50% of the B schools had mentoring as an element in pedagogy. A structural equation model using visual PLS software was employed to validate the proposed model. The findings revealed that personal profile of teachers, like their age, teaching experience, and traits of extroversion, agreeableness, and conscientiousness, influence the mentoring activities initiated by them, such as teach the job, provide challenge, teach politics, career help, sponsor, career counseling, and trust, which further influence the effectiveness of mentoring. It has also been observed that significant improvement was achieved by the second year students in institutions where mentoring has been formalized by the time they complete their tenure. They tend to improve on certain qualities like taking responsibility, individualism, capacity to plan, perseverance, and efficacy. And finally, I would suggest future research could focus on comprehensively elaborating the proposed model and developing a training module for enhancing the capabilities of a mentor using the insights provided in this research. Thank you.